CMF is actually an entire ecosystem of products, not only smartphones. And we have some news on that end as well. So please, welcome Arpit to tell you all about it.
Thank you, Akis. That was pretty cool. Good evening, everyone. I'm super excited to be here tonight to show you our exciting series of buds. After the successful launch of CMF Buds Pro 2 last year, we decided to double down on our coverage and bring to you a new series which can meet the specific consumer requirements. First up is CMF Buds 2A. Buds 2A is going to be your everyday hero and the best choice for ANC TWS in the entry-level segment. It is powered by ultra-bass technology and is tuned by Dirac. Now, direct tuning helps in providing you a natural and a more immersive music experience. This particular one comes with a 12.4mm biofiber driver, which is perfect for a balanced sound. Battery life is one of the most critical elements in any audio device you wear. And this one has a 35.5-hour battery life with IP54 dust and water resistance. The product will be available in 3 exciting colors: dark gray, light gray, and orange. Up next is CMF Buds 2. Buds 2 is the successor of our previous year's bestseller, the CMF Buds. Buds 2 gives you an immersive music experience with next-level hybrid active noise cancellation. It comes with a 11mm PMI plus TPU driver, which is super important for a very refined sound. This one is tuned by Dirac Optio. Now, Dirac Optio uses a smart audio algorithm which helps in providing you a crystal clear high definition sound and comes up with a 48 decibel point ultra brand hybrid ANC. This one also has an improved IP55 dust and water resistance. We are introducing a new color in our Buds 2 lineup, and that is light green. The other two will be dark gray and orange. And last but not the least, this one is my personal favorite, the Buds 2 Plus. Buds 2 Plus is remastered for music lovers with some serious audio upgrades. It provides high fidelity clarity as it has the best-in-class LDEC technology with high-res audio certification. It has the most powerful hybrid ANC of up to 50 decibel points. Talking about the driver is the heart of any audio device, and this one comes up with a 12mm LCP dynamic driver. It detects ambient noises and lets you cut off from the world. It also comes up with a staggering 61-hour battery life and IP55 dust and water resistance. In terms of CMF, the color, material, and finish, this will come in a matte sandblasted finish with a soft touch case. And ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever in our CMF Buds family, we'll have a metal dial. And no matter which one you go for, you're going to have crystal clear calls, dual device pairing, and fast charging to keep you powered up. The CMF Buds family is known for its minimalist, bold colors, and iconic dial designs. The CMF Buds 2A will have a glossy dial. The CMF Buds 2 will come with a transparent wrap dial, and the CMF Buds 2 Plus will be seen in first time and have a metal dial. So how can you grab your hands on them? Let's start from the earbuds. The earbuds are available in a variety of colors and will be available for as little as rupees 2199. Yes, I'll allow you to take pictures for this. Will be available for 2199, $49, and 29 pounds. The Buds 2 will be available for rupees 2699, $59, 39 pounds, and 49.9 euros. And the Buds 2 Plus will be available only for rupees 3299, $69, 49 pounds, and 59.9 euros. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.